Where are you guys going?
Well, we're going to the museum.
The museum, huh?
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Luke. Bye, Seth.
Oh, wow.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Mom, you can come to the museum.
We can?
No.
Oh, I can't? Why not?
Well, because I just don't want you to. Oh no!
What?
A big bug!
What kind of a bug?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's a spider.
Oh, no.
We have to go this way, sir. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, my car's full.
Is it kind of heavy?